Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're turning our attention to an exciting lightweight sport bike, the 2026 Suzuki GSX250R. Known for blending sporty design with everyday practicality, the GSX250R has long been a favorite for new riders and city commuters who still want that Suzuki performance DNA. The 2026 model builds on this reputation with fresh styling, improved efficiency, and modern features. Let's dive into what makes this bike stand out in its segment. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 GSX250R arrives with a sharper, more dynamic look inspired by Suzuki's larger GSX-R lineup. The fairing has been resculpted for better aerodynamics, while the new LED headlamps and taillights give it a premium, aggressive touch. Slimmer body lines and updated graphics enhance its sporty character, and new color schemes provide riders with more personalization choices. Compact yet stylish, it's equally at home on busy city roads or weekend rides. Performance and powertrain. Powering the GSX250R is a refined 248 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine designed for smooth and reliable performance. The 2026 update includes optimized fuel injection for better throttle response and improved fuel economy. A 6-speed transmission ensures effortless gear changes, while the lightweight chassis keeps handling nimble and predictable. Whether commuting or carving through twisty roads, the GSX250R delivers a balanced mix of efficiency and excitement. Safety and technology. Suzuki has equipped the new GSX250R with modern essentials, including dual-channel ABS for added confidence in varying road conditions. The updated digital LCD instrument cluster now offers clearer readouts and Bluetooth connectivity for ride data and notifications. LED lighting improves visibility, and ergonomics remain comfortable for both short and long rides, making it a practical choice for everyday use. Conclusion. The 2026 Suzuki GSX250R proves that small-displacement sport bikes can still be stylish, fun, and practical. With its refreshed design, refined performance, and modern tech, it's the ideal bike for beginners and city riders looking for reliability with a sporty edge. Stay tuned to my channel for more motorcycle news, reviews, and first looks at the bikes that matter most.